remember getting into the environment of Pastor Chris. And my biggest problem was this. I knew my rank in the spirit when it comes to the prophetic. So when I was young back then, because I didn't vibrate in the same frequency with God. When I was young, I kept on thinking, I'm better than this guy, I'm better than Pastor Chris on prophecy, I'm better than TB Josh on prophecy, I'm better than this, I'm better than this. That's all I moved with. Until God said, you, Chris Oyakhilome is on macroscopic level, you're on microscopic. He sees the Amazon. You see the ants walking underneath. You are micro, he's macro. I said, I don't know this guy to be prophetic. I was young. I didn't have an idea that this guy was really spiritual. I said, you call him guy. He's your father. I said, The guy doesn't want to even meet me. He said, when you operate in the same frequency, I never tried meeting him. I just tried calls, this, nothing was happening. He said, when you start moving in the frequency I want you to move in, you realize who he is in the spirit. And immediately I began to see Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, not just as an apostle to a generation, but as a prophet to a generation. But listen, I'm very sharp in the prophetic. You don't confuse me when it comes to the prophetic. No, I walk there, I live there, I talk there, I sleep there. I'm major B. I know me. Trust me. When it comes to the prophetic, it's prophecy. But when I was young, pride was in there. I said, who is Pastor Chris? What do you mean? He is very big, powerful, miracles, signs and wonders. But when it comes to prophetic, you don't understand. I'm better. God said, no, better way. But it was years later God told me, hey, you were wrong. This man is a microscope. Listen, if you want to know what God is doing in the nation, I'm not talking about where earthquake is going to hit, where which plane is going to fall. No, I'm not talking about that information. I'm talking about how God is moving nations around this plan. You don't talk to Uber Angel, you talk to Chris Oyakhilome. When you want to know about you, talk to me. But when I was young, it was so easy to measure myself among the generals, the fathers who were supposed to be my fathers. I kept on thinking, these guys, they don't know me. They will see me. I'm a force in the prophetic. Yet the prophetic doesn't qualify you to be bigger than other people. And guess what? I was even wrong that Pastor Chris Oyakhilome was not prophetic. When he was, it still is. I'm now getting access into his courts. I'm not even seeing more now. I now have the privilege of having him on the phone prophesying about me, prophesying about this church. And 2 weeks after that, things happen exactly the way he said, including the people he says. But when I was not moving in the frequency of God, the way he wanted me, the vibrations he wanted me, I thought Pastor Chris is very good. Miracle signs and wonders, you can't compete with that man. Revelation, you can't compete with that man. But when it comes to prophecy, it's me. Until you get to a certain level where you mature, you realize these are great men. You don't play with this. When you understand your rank in the spirit, you know what fathers are. I know me. When it comes to the prophetic, individual prophecies like you. No. I'm beyond good. And when it comes to what will happen here, in the sense of there is an